new data from here from a different chart. Look at here. This is very interesting and very, you say, I love this chart. No, when I see the line chart and other stuff, no, I just show you that you will feel something good in this. Let's suppose I have a ribbon chart. I have the same data, which is there in the line. So I just take the data by water, electricity, the same data is there. I just show you the magic by just clicking here. This is a line chart. So we have created this line chart. The month I will take from month from here. And I'll take the electricity as a value, gas as a value, grocery as a value, petrol as a value, and water again. So it is looking good. But as I click onto the ribbon, look at here.
Oh,
So this is a ribbon because ribbon is moving here and there, up and down. So this is an up one, this is a down one and moving there. No,
Mm-hmm.
then this is an moving there from here to here. Then this is moving up. It will automatically pick the value from the ribbon. It's a very beautiful chart that is called a ribbon chart.
Yeah, it
It
looks
is
like
a
art.
combination, just like an area, but in a very beautified way. And it has a bar also on the month. You can see that these bar are coming now
Mm-hmm.
in transparency way, no, in a
Yeah,
color way. So this is a July. So this is again for July petrol. This is again for July electricity.
right.
I'm not taking the average, but the so this is basically called a, now we have a different option here also for ribbon. If you want to show something, we have a data color plot area, the data label you want to on, you can on. It will get in a linear way, not in here and there way.
Nice.
So this is our actual expenses, and you can see this, the total expenses are here. Although this is 29, you can see that, but it
Yeah,
is not going constant. It is not going constant here, because
it's
this is also 29 and this is lesser than that, this is lesser than that, so it
right.
is a bit up and down. It does not have access here, so we cannot map the value from here. It will automatically dynamically pick the value
So it's in a
depending upon
ascending
their
order.
style. Yes. So I come to the ribbon. We have a spacing. There is no spacing in that. You want, you can see that spacing is there.
Oh, cool.
So by default, it is 0. Transparency between the data is there. You can see the, so you can make a more transparent. Match series color, it is on by default. If you want a border, it will come within border. You can see the border here, on and off. I hope you like this chart. This chart is very useful and very interesting chart, no, for
Yeah,
data
yeah,
presentation.
very interesting. Very interesting.
Try here in the next page.
Gotcha. So I'm gonna go ribbon. Okay, we're gonna go at month.
आता कि नहीं? Weeks. तो वाला हम
Cool.
It's done?
Yep.
Great. So coming on to the next. Now the next part is I just take the data from Excel. Then we have a waterfall chart. I click onto the waterfall chart. I show you the data. Look at the data. So this is the sequence. This may be a month or this may be a dates, 11 to 23. So it's a date basically. We do not have months. Month is from 1 to 12. So these are the dates and these are the cash flow on this date. Positive and negative. We have an up and down. And we want to record and present in a form of a chart. It's just like a share price. Share price up in a particular month, down in a particular month, and so on. You can take any example for that. So I want to use a chart for that. So I take this data first. Then I'll take a chart. That chart is this chart. A simple chart with a column. So I take the net cash flow into the value and serial number into the axis. So it is coming like that. This is a readable chart? We are not able to understand what is happening actually, up and down because minus and plus. So this can be done. This is a one way we can do this. But the perfect way is we can come with this waterfall chart. When you have this value plus and minus value and you want to do that, the waterfall chart, then I take the net cash flow into the values, category into the serial number, but it is not sorted. You can see from here 11, 14, 10, 19, 21. It is not sorted. It is taking the positive value first and then negative value. So I click here. Then we have an option called sort ascending. Can you see this? I click on these three dots and there is an option called
Sort ascending.
Sort ascending. Ascending not by this but by this. Sort by not serial number, it's a serial number. Now it is perfect. We have 11, 12, 13, 14 is there. So now on 11th, our price is this. I just on the data label so that you can understand that. And just make them an auto to the none. So this is the value. When I start this, we have a cash in hand that is 5,000 rupees. Then there is a down of 503 rupees. And then we have a 1,670 down. And then we have a growth of 4,802 rupees. And then we are moving. And by the closing of this day, 23rd, our cash in hand is 10,559 rupees. So this can be depicted for the share price, up, down, and what is the opening price and what is the closing price. Then, are you able to understand this?
Not sure actually. A little confused by this.
But
So this is
no,
this
I
is
just tell you.
showing. Oh yeah, go ahead.
What I'm saying, when we have, let's suppose, when we have a cash flow in the company, so every month we check what is the closing balance on the 30 or 31st, whatever is the last working day. For example, for the month of January, I got $5,000 for cash expenses. Then somebody took $503 from me. And then in next month, somebody took $1,670 from me. So it is going to be deducted from there now. Now, in the next month, somebody gave me the 4,800. The company person gave me this much. Then this is negative, negative, positive, negative, positive. So by the end of the year, I have this much amount in my hand.
Okay. Okay.
And similarly, let's suppose there is a company called ABC. So ABC company shares open on the 11th day of the month. The share price was $5,000. Then it is next day it is dipped by a 503. Then next day again dip by 1617. And on the 40th it is going to be up by 4,802 rupees. And by moving up and down, up and down, up and down, and final at the end of the year, I got this as a closing balance or the closing cost of the share. So share price start with a 5,000 and close with this one.
Gotcha.
No. Now come to the current scenario. For example, what happened? Starting of the month, we have 5,000 patients for Corona, COVID-19. And then in the next day, 503 people will be cured and come out from that. And again, there are 1,600 people come out from that. And again, the next day, there is a new cases of 4,800. Then this is deducted, deducted, added. Then deducted, deducted, added. So it's like that. And the now current status is this.
Gotcha.
I hope you understand that, na?
Yeah, that's the end of the waterfall. That's where it all goes down.
That is called, yes, that is the name is a waterfall. This chart is very interesting, no? So
Yeah.
I just come on to the blank page. You try here.
Okay.
This waterfall chart.
All right, so I'm gonna do waterfall. SR was values. Wait. Okay. Okay.
So automatically when you put a data label, the negative value come just below to the bar and positive value automatically go to the above to the bar. And the color automatically green and red. You can change that color. There is no problem in that. You can change the color also.
Yeah.
So, are you clear with this?
Yes.
Great. Keep remember all things. No, that is very important. So then I have a small scenario. I got a lead from marketing team, fine, for a particular tender, 2000 people apply for that, stage 1. 1400 people are qualified actually for that, so 600 is removed from the list. Only how many people are qualified? 1400 as per the norms. Now after meeting to them, I shortlist only 1100 people. Out of the 1100 people, only 700 people give me the proposal, and out of the proposal 700 people, only 300 finalize this. So this is the actually input, and this is a stage by stage we are moving less. So I need to know what is the conversion ratio. If you 2000 people apply and 300 get, let's suppose there is a college. So in college there are limited seats. So many people apply for the college admission, but after a certain level, people are actually disqualified from the stage. So after each and every stage, this is the scenario. I want to present this data in terms of a chart or graph. I hope you understand the question.
Yes.
Fine. Now I need to create a chart, and I'm creating a chart for that. I get the data from the funnel, open. So this is the data I have. I load it. So this data is loaded. I just take a new sheet. So this is my data. Now I take the funnel chart. I have the funnel chart here. I click onto the funnel chart. This chart is there. Now I take the sales stage into the group and count into the values. And what I'll do, I'll go there and I say labels should be data value and none. Now look at here. This chart is, I just again click onto the label and make it